Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing InTown Suites Extended Stay Lewisville, Texas, East Corporate Drive. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. This Dallas area motel offers all suite accommodations with a large HDTV and premium channels from Showtime, just 10 miles from Dallas, Fort Worth International Airport. A self-service laundry facility is located on site at InTown Suites Extended Stay Lewisville, Texas, East Corporate Drive. Guests also have access to fax and photocopy services, free parking, and well-stocked vending machines. Offering convenient access to Interstate 35, Suites DFW is within 18 miles of University of North Texas. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.